was just a normal morning ride with no plan. But somehow, we ended up at a beautiful waterfall, Pampanal. This is the story of that unexpected adventure. Pampanal Waterfall is a beautiful spot located in Kerala near the Thodupuzha highway at Monsoon in Kottayam district. Surrounded by greenery and amazing views, this place has been attracting visitors for years. It's the perfect location if you're looking for a peaceful and adventurous trip. There's another big waterfall down below, connected to this one. We have to trek to reach it. It was a hard trek, but the scenery and the falls made it all worth it. Check out Bicycle 360 on YouTube to watch the full video.